So here is where I'll be working at today. This is embarrassing for me. You guys can understand. So I don't want to do this room. So, but I have to, so why not get it done and this room organized and clean, and I'll feel better. I'm not sure how many days this will take, but probably a couple days. So let's get started. Hi guys, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update. I'm starting to get kind of tired now, so I'm probably just take a little bit of a break and then have my husband help me a little bit more. When he gets home from work. So far I have about 2 bags of trash, 2 bags of recycling, and 2 bags of stuff to get rid of. So yeah, this is a lot. You can see a lot of stuff in this room. What I've been doing right now, this may sound kind of weird, but I'm just getting all the clothes and everything out of the rooms. So at the door I have a whole big pile of clothes I'm going to be going through, and also folding up the ones I want to keep. So yeah, the room's looking pretty good. Like I said, I'm not done yet, but I'll probably, like I said, take a little bit of a break and start back in a little bit. And yeah, I'm really happy with the progress. I'm not feeling as overwhelmed as I did in the previous video. I'm feeling pretty good about it. But there was a couple times I'm just like, this is too much. But I'm feeling pretty good right now. So anyway, just having a couple more moments. I just like wanted to give up. But look at the big picture and why I'm doing this. You know, it's to help us out in the front. To help us out. I think I mentioned this in my first video. If you guys haven't seen that, go check that one out after this. So what I was saying is the reason why I'm doing this challenge is to get ready for our upcoming home city for their adoption. So that's the reason why I'm getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff, downsizing, cleaning up. So that's why I'm downsizing. big lot of stuff. You don't realize how much stuff you have until you start going through it and everything. And I'll see you guys a little bit later. Hi guys, so I am done for today. I had a really good day in that spare bedroom. I got a lot of stuff done. I'm really proud of myself because I didn't think I'd do that much. So that's a good thing for me. So we folded up some clothes and need to put the clothes away that we folded, and take the trash out. And now let me show you guys what I did today. So here's what I got done today. It looks a lot better. Still have a couple boxes of stuff to go through. Need to put my massage tables away. Still trying to figure out where to put them at. And a couple of odds and ends things here. A bag of trash, recycling, anything to donate right there. But I'm pretty happy. I I will be probably having this done tomorrow, except for maybe a couple of the boxes. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I actually just finished the spare bedroom. I'm really excited. I thought it would take a couple days, but it only took 2. So yay, I'm really pumped up, really excited. And so let me show you guys what it looks like. So here is the spare bedroom. Got a couple little boxes over there I need to go through. Got a couple boxes over there, but yep. And found a whole bunch of lamps, so those are probably going to a thrift store. But yeah, this looks so amazing. Still be putting my massage tables probably up in the attic. But everything is clean. This feels really great. I am so happy right now with this. Hi guys. So like you said, all of this room is clean. It feels really good, and I'm going to apologize if you hear noises behind me. You can see my dogs are back behind me. They wouldn't be in the room with me, which is fine. So anyway, I feel really great about this room. A couple little things need to be done. I need to take my massage tables up and go through a couple, get rid of that one box. But it feels really great. I'm really happy with the progress of this room, because this room was the worst. Hey, stop it. Because this room was the worst out of all of the rooms. So which I'm really happy with. So it only took 2 days, which is good, because yeah, I thought it would take a lot longer. So the total of the bags I got out of this room: 4 bags of trash, 2 bags of recycling, and about 2 bags of stuff to donate, which those lamps I'm going to be donating to. So, yep, so all total, don't really know off the top of my head, so all total, the bags that I've gotten rid of is right here. So you can see that's a lot. And I'm not sure what day I'm on. Actually, I kind of stopped counting because I did take a couple days off here and there, so I'm not really sure what day I'm on. So yep, my ending date will be March 31st, or March 30th. So anyway, I'm not really sure what day I'm on. I'm not really worried about it because, I don't know, just really not important. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And also hit the bell notifications so you'll be alerted anytime that I post a new video, because I would like to see my channel grow. And the more views and subscribers that I have, the better, because we all know about YouTube's new guidelines for small channels. So anyway, so if you like this video, please like it, share with your friends, and subscribe. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!